Do you know exactly what to look for when choosing a roofing contractor? What red flags should you look for? The roofing business is plagued with screwballs. In this video, we'll show you the 4 signs you have the right contractor and what you need to keep an eye out for and what to avoid at all costs. Here are the 4 non-negotiables for hiring a roofing contractor. Don't pay any money or as little as possible up front. Don't sign a bad contract. Make sure the contractor you're working with has a solid track record. Also, make sure they pull a permit, they're licensed and insured. When choosing a home remodeling contractor, this one basic rule trumps everything else. Try not to pay any money at all until the work is completed. Sometimes you'll have to pay money up front for special order items, but only pay for the materials themselves. Some projects take an extended amount of time to complete. Progress payments are acceptable as long as the completed work is done to your satisfaction. The first step is making sure you don't get into a bad contract. Like I said earlier, there's a lot of screwballs in the roofing business. One of the best ways to protect yourself is to make sure you don't sign any roofing contract that asks for money up front, has cancellation fees, or includes stipulations that are very one-sided in favor of the contractor. Read any contract thoroughly before signing. Most homeowners don't even realize they can change a contract. A contractor presents them a contract, you can cross things out, add things, and it becomes part of the legally binding agreement. If this is an insurance claim, make sure any work the contractor is proposing is covered by the settlement. If it's not, make sure the contractor knows how to work with the insurance company and how to resolve any cost differences. A contractor unfamiliar with insurance claims is not a good candidate for that kind of work. Check whether the contractor is certified by the manufacturer to install the products they're proposing, roofing materials especially. This way, if anything goes wrong, the resolution process will be smoother and easier. Ask about warranty coverage. The installer typically gives their guarantee, which can be from 1 to 5 years, covering the installation work. The second is the manufacturer's guarantee, which is on the material itself. Be careful with this one. Many manufacturers advertise a lifetime guarantee, but the coverage actually drops off after the first 5 to 10 years. Many homeowners assume their asphalt shingles are covered for life, which simply isn't true. Finally, the inspection process. Most homeowners rely on the city and county inspectors to verify the work was done correctly. They serve a good purpose, but they aren't the absolute experts on every product. If you have any doubt something isn't being installed right, hire an independent inspector for a third set of eyes. If the work is done incorrectly, that inspector's report can be legally binding in court should legal action become necessary. So to recap, the most important things you should do when looking for a good, competent contractor: never sign a bad agreement. Don't pay any money at all up front, or only pay for the special order items. If it's an insurance claim, choose a contractor who's familiar with the insurance claim process. Pick a contractor who is certified by the manufacturer to install the products that they're using. Use the city and county inspector as a good guideline, but if there are technical questions, a third-party specialty inspector can be one of the best friends a homeowner has. If you'd like the notes from this video, you should click the link in the description below. That will bring you to our Learning Center, where we have lots of articles and videos about many of the products and services that we offer. If you haven't already, you should give us a call so we can come out and take a look at your project, or use our easy online scheduler. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll be there. Thanks for watching.